Okay, hey boys and girls. Today in our lesson we are going to learn about Cinquain Poems. So I want to ask you, what do you know about poems, or have you ever heard of a poem?
I heard of a poem.
You've heard of poems? Can you remember one?
It's pretty hard, but it's really hard to remember.
That's okay, some poems are. So poetry, which is another form like what poems are, poetry is a collection of words that express an emotion or idea, sometimes with a specific meaning, sound, or rhythm. And today we are going to learn about Cinquain poems. And with Cinquain poems, they are a little bit different than your common poems. So with that being said, Cinquain poems, they follow a specific pattern, and with that they are constructed of 5 lines. They don't rhyme, and some poems, most commonly, you probably hear rhyming in them. These you won't. And within that specific pattern, in those 5 lines, line 1 is going to be your subject. It's going to be one word, such as cats. Line 2 is going to be 2 adjectives. Now, what are adjectives?
They describe a noun.
Words that describe a noun. That's good. And here we have curious and playful. Are there any other words that you can think of that might describe a cat?
Smart.
Smart. Yeah. Okay, in line 3, we are going to use action verbs ending in ing, and we have to have 3. No more, no less. We have to have 3. In this case, we have sneaking, pouncing, and sleeping. If you were writing this poem, would there be a different word that you would use?
Running, chasing, and
those are very
pouncing?
good. Well, pouncing's up there. But very good.
Probably laying.
Laying. Okay. So line 4, you are going to use 4 words to describe the feelings about the subject. And what is our subject? Cats. That would be our subject, which is our title, cats. So they have put always fun to cuddle. Are cats fun to cuddle? Yeah. Okay. And then on line 5, you're going to use one word, and it's going to be a synonym. Do you know what a synonym is?
A synonym is for the subject describing the word.
Yeah, so a synonym is a word that is similar to the other word. So in this case, you have cats and feline. So now what I want us to do is I want us to look at this example of a Cinquain poem. It is called, what is it called?
Lions.
Lion. That's right. So this would be our title. One word, title, right? Do you remember what our second line is supposed to be? We're supposed to have 2
Adjectives.
Adjectives. Right here we have golden and strong. Are those adjectives?
Yes.
They are. Now on line 3, we're supposed to have 3. Do you remember?
Action verbs.
Action verbs. What do they have to end in?
ing.
ing, that's right. We have staring, creeping, and pouncing. And on line 4, we're supposed to have how many words that describe the feeling? Do you remember how many we're supposed to have? 4, that's correct. A hunter on the prowl. Is that 4? No, that's not 4, is it? So how could we change that to be 4 letters to describe the feeling of lion?
A hunter is on.
A hunter is on.
Like on the loose.
On the loose. I think that's more than 4. What about king of the jungle?
Or the savannah.
King of the savannah. That would be good.
There's 2 kinds of lions, a jungle lion and a savannah lion.
Awesome. So, now that we've done that one, we fixed that one. Predator. Is predator a synonym for lion? Yes, it is. Okay, so that one was pretty good, but we had one little mistake up here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now let's try another one. Dragon. Is this our title?
Mm.
Yes. Now, what do we have to have? 2,
Adverbs.
no, 2 adjectives.
Oh, again.
Strong and fierce. Now we have to have 3
Action verbs.
action verbs.
And end with ing.
Ending in ing. We have fly, walk, and eat.
It's supposed to be flying, walking, and eating.
Very good, Bubba. A dragon is fierce. Is that a 4-word description to a feeling? Yes. And what is our last one?
Creature.
Creature. Now, is that the same as dragon? Yeah, a dragon is a creature. Very good. Okay, so let's do one more. And y'all tell me if this is right or wrong. What is our title?
Spiders.
Spiders. What are our adjectives?
Bald, silent.
What are our adverbs ending in ing?
Jumping, hunting, and spinning.
And what is our 4-word description?
Amazing predator with style.
What is our synonym?
Spiders!
Spiders. Okay, so spiders. Bold, silent, jumping, hunting, spinning, amazing predator with style. Spiders. And my activity for you guys would be to create a Cinquain graphic organizer. You will have your example of a Cinquain poem right here, and out to your right hand side you will have the description of what each one of those are. I would like y'all to first think about your title, and it could be over anything, person, place, or thing. You could write about your favorite dog, your brother, your sister, the weather, would not matter. You could write about anything you want. And when you're done, we will share them with the class.